What's up, Jooba people? Today we're learning how to play this song. You get what you give. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wake up, kids, we got the dreamer's disease. Age 14, we got you down on your knees. So polite, you busy still please. Let's skip to the other part. What an awesome song. I love this song. Like the first time I heard it was on the movie Surf's Up. I don't know if you guys watched that movie, but man, that was a really good movie actually. And this song is really top of my favorite songs. So yeah, I did play it using some advanced chords now, but you can learn it using easier chords. Like for the F sharp minor, you don't have to use this one with the thumb, or the B minor, you don't have to use this one with the thumb. You could use this easier one. I'm going to go through all of those chords right now in this video. And I got this PDF that I created for this lesson. There. This PDF you can download with the link in the description. And all the Jooba free users, it's a free PDF. You just have to register on the site. So it's kind of a catch, you know. I got your email, I can spam you and stuff, but I won't spam you. I won't share your information with anybody. It's just going to be for my lessons, maybe emailing you once a year, you know. Because I'm not very consistent with emails. But anyway, so these are the chords. I'm just going to leave the diagrams up, and I'm not going to do the close-up because the diagrams are much easier to follow. So this D major 9 is like a... Let's think, maybe if we like zoom in a little bit like that, that would be nice. So D major 9, just like that. 2 fingers. Don't forget. And then comes a C major 7. Now, let me just actually write it like that, so that nobody's confused. So C major 7 is just with those 3 fingers, like that. Oh man, I'm loving this new lighting setup and everything. It's just so nice. It just looks so good. But I should be looking at the camera. So D. Don't forget, you got music in you. So these 2 chords just repeat the whole time for the verse mainly, and then it goes to an E minor, just a plain E minor chord. Okay, and then you just take these 2 fingers down, 1 string each, and then you got A. Now you could just play A just like that, A sus2, or you could do the A sus4, and then to an A sus4 A, and then sometimes in the song you could play an A7 with these 2 fingers. Now, anytime there's an A, you could just play A. You don't have to do the fancy stuff, but it sounds really nice if you do. So that's just a regular A there that you can play. F sharp minor, I'll show you the shape the easy shape. It's like an A sus2, but you add your index finger at the top. Okay, so that's your F sharp minor. To a B minor. B minor, no E string, just straight down. You could use a normal B minor, or you could use the thick B minor like this. Oh, sorry, I'm teaching from home from now, so sometimes the kids get a little bit worked up. Anyway, so first finger there, these 2 here. This chord is a F sharp minor. Okay, you could add the thumb there for the bass if you're used to that. Like John Mayer songs uses this a lot, and also a bunch of other people. But anyway, so this is a really nice F sharp minor, but you could use this also for B minor at the 7th fret. And I like to play the chorus like that. When I nice. And then G. This is A again in the song, but I just put all the chords. You get the idea. C add 9 I use in the song where it says C, so you could use a C add 9. And that's just probably once in the song where they play the C. It's here at the end. You can't forget, you only get what you give. Just like C, G, D. And the reason that's underlined there is because those two chords share a bar. So it's like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. So it's kind of like that kind of thing. Okay, so let's go to the specific sections, or let's do the strumming quickly. The strumming feel, I don't like to call it a pattern because then people tend to stick to that pattern throughout the whole song. The main feel of the song is this down, down, up, down. And that M just means miss, so you go down with, but you just miss the string. So it's like down, down, up, down, 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 down. So that's the main feel, but you can add up strums. Let me show you where. Anywhere between the downs. Like you can go down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And you can even stop that miss and just make it. Don't forget you got the middle now. So it's really simple. It's just once you get the feel, then play it with the feel a few times, and then kind of edit the strum pattern to match how you feel the song should go. Okay, so the verses are simple. It's just D, C, okay? Just carries on like that. And then at the end of the verses, you do E minor, A. Okay, so that's the structure of it. Let me play it for you. Wake up, kids, we got the dreamers disease. Age 14, we got you down on your knees. So polite, you're busy still saying please. E minor, A. Now, the chord chart says A sus, but usually when something says A sus, it means A sus 4, which is the... And you could use this A sus 4 or the one I showed. Okay, but I would just play in regular A if you're just starting out. Please, so then that's really simple. In the end of the verse, you got please say please, bam, 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 bam. Pretty easy. And then same for the second part of the verse. Now in the chorus, it starts to get funky, right? So we got the F sharp minor. When the night is falling. So when the night is falling, you cannot find the light. Feel your dreams are dying. Hold tight. And then kind of in that A, you're already starting to sing the chorus. Got the music in you, G, don't let go. You got the music in you, F sharp minor, one man's life. This world is gonna. And you see that gonna, I put that A, it's kind of in between. One man's life, this world is gonna pull through. So that A is kind of not necessary, but it is in the song. So if you want to play it, you can. And then you just kind of keep strumming and playing the song, right? It's not rocket science from there. I'm not going to even go. But let me just quickly do the this part at the end. Don't let go, I feel the music in you. We got B minor A. It goes health insurance, rip up lying, FDA, bank is buying, fake computer crashes dying, cloning while they're multiplying, versions of back and Hanson, Courtney so pretty intense song. You know that he did a cover last year for the Biden inauguration. Pretty cool guy to do a cover, and he's like really old, and he's like singing exactly the same way as he does. Well, not exactly the same. It sounds a bit older, but anyway, that's it, guys. I hope by now you can play You Get What You Give. Download the PDF and just keep it like in your repertoire. It's a freaking awesome song to pull out when you've got friends around that are around my age, maybe 30-ish. I am 30-ish, not maybe. I'm 31. So these kind of age group people will always know this song, and it's just an amazing song to be able to play. It's one of those songs that you don't think it's going to be so simple when you pick up an acoustic guitar, because it sounds very like you need a big band and stuff. But you heard now, it sounds pretty cool with just a guitar. Cheers. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye bye bye. That's also a good song to add, which is kind of the same as this one. Anyway, cheers.